Children, YouTube SCRT channel TSAT నుండి వచ్చినటువంటి ఈ వీడియో లెసన్స్ వర్క్షీట్ రిలేటెడ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. వర్క్షీట్ 1 లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, find the solution of find the values of q and r for the following questions. The first a is equal to 62, b is equal to 7. To find q and r, we have to go through the division algorithm. So divide the big one with the small number. Here the biggest is 62. Divide 62 by 7. So you know 7 table. 7 8s are 56. The remainder is 6. In this, the division 62 is the divisor. Dividend 7 is the divisor. 8 is the quotient. 6 is the remainder. So remainder represent as R. This is Q. Okay, now we have a division algorithm. A is equal to BQ plus R. Compare the given values with the A is equal to BQ plus R. That is 62 is equal to A is equal to 62, B is equal to 7. Whatever the value Q we got is 8. Remainder is R is equal to 6. Now therefore write the answer for B is equal to Q is equal to 8, R is equal to 6. Show that every positive integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. So to prove this, let's go through. We have Euclid division lemma, Euclid division algorithm. A is equal to BQ plus R. So if you compare the above 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 with A is equal to BQ plus R, here B is equal to 4. Then remainder is always lies between 0, R is less than 3. B values R values 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now A is equal to 4q plus 0, which is 4q. A is equal to 4q plus 1. A is equal to 4q plus 2. A is equal to 4q plus 3. Okay. Actually, we are going to prove that these which of the 4 is a odd number. Which are odd, which are even. Let's see the first one. A is equal to 4q. That means this can be written as 2 into 2q. Here 2 into m, where m is some integer. M is some integer. So 2 into something means it's an even number. So therefore A is equal to 4q is even. Then again let us check the third one. A is equal to 4q plus 2. A is equal to 4q plus 2. In this, here this is a multiple of 2. This is here also 2 is there. You can take 2 as common. If you take 2 common, 2q plus 1. So 2 into this total, if you consider as some letter m, where m is an integer. So this is also multiple of 2. So whatever the number is multiple of 2, that is an even. So here again A is equal to 4q plus 2 is even. So whatever the remaining ones, 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are odd positive integers. Therefore every odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Show that square of any positive integer can't be of the form 5m plus 2 or 5m plus 3 where m is a whole number. So for this question the solution is according to Euclid division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. Here r is less than 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. Here now we have b is equal to 5m plus 2 means here b is equal to 5. R value is always 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. R value exists as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, let us define a is equal to b means 5q plus r. 5q plus r. Let us take r values in this next one. Let's tell. So square of a is equal to 5q plus r is a square 5q plus r whole square. That is in the RHS simplification 5q whole square plus 2 into 5q into 1 plus 1 square. 5q whole square is 25q square. 2 into 5 10q plus r. 10q r square. So simply you keep r in separate form. That is 5 into, you can take 5 as common, 5q square 5 into 2qr plus r square. Total this term you take as some integer 5k plus r square. See this 5k r plus final form. So a square is equal to, we got here 5k plus r square. R value is we defined as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now r value is 0. Put in the above formula, a square is equal to 5k plus 0, which is equal to 5k. Final form, instead of k you can take as 5m. Now take r value as 1. A square is equal to 5k plus 1 square, that is 5k plus 1. So general formula is 5m plus 1. Now put r is equal to 2. A square is equal to 5k plus 2 square, that is 5k plus 4. So general formula is 5m plus 4. Now take r is equal to 3. A square is equal to 5k plus 3 square, which is 5k plus 9. This is of the form 5m plus 9. Now take r value as 4. A square is equal to 5k plus 4 square, that is 5k plus 60, which is our final form is 5m plus 60. If you see all the final forms, 5m plus 1, 5m plus 4, 5m plus 9 and 5m plus 60. So from the question, the square of any positive integer is can't be of the form 5m plus 2 and 5m plus 6. If you see here in the RHS final form, there is no 5m plus 2 and 5m plus 3. So this is our proof. Show that the cube of any positive integer of the form 4m or 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3 where m is a whole number. So this solution also go through the Euclid division algorithm. By Euclid division algorithm, a is equal to bq plus r. 0 is less than or r is less than b. Now here b value according to the question, b is equal to 4, then r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now define a is equal to bq plus r. In the bq plus r, take b value as 4q plus, I am taking r values directly here. Now cube of the positive integer is take a cube, that is 4q plus r whole cube. Apply the formula a plus b whole cube formula, that is a cube means 4q whole cube 3a square, that is 4q square into b means r plus 3 into ab square, that is 4q into r square plus r whole cube. Let's keep r only r term along the remaining terms together, that is 64 q cube plus 3 into 16q square into r plus 12q r square plus r. From the all the terms, so we can take only 4 as common, that is 4 in 4 if you take common, this is 16q cube, here 12q square into r, again 3q r square plus r. So this can be written as a 4 into total term you can take some letter k, 4k plus r cube. So this is the a cube. Now define general form. A cube is equal to what we got? 4q plus r cube. 4k plus r cube. R value is when we defined 0, 1, 2, 3. Now take r as 0. So substitute a cube is equal to 4k plus 0. 0 cube is nothing but 0, that is 4k. So general form or final form is 4m. Next, r is equal to 1, that is a cube is equal to 4k plus 1 cube, that is 4k plus 1. 1 cube is nothing but 1. That general form is 4m plus 1. Next, r is equal to 2. A cube is equal to 4k plus 2 cube, that is 4k plus 2 cube is nothing but 8. In these two, again 4 is common. Take 4 as common, then this can be written as k plus 2, that is 4 into some letter m. So general form is again here 4m. The final rate r is equal to 3. A cube is equal to 4k plus 3 cube. So that is write as 4k plus 3 cube is nothing but 27. Okay. That is 4k plus 27 can be written as 24 plus 3. Here 4 is common, k plus 6 plus 3. So in this this total term is some letter m, 4m plus 3. Here general form is 4m plus 3. This is the solution. Okay. So therefore cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m plus 1, again 4m repeated, 4m plus 3. So totally, finally our solution is 4m plus 1, 4m plus 3 for any whole number m. So this is the solution. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1, 3m plus 2. Okay. Where m is some integer. So by Euclid division algorithm, we have a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than r is less than b. Here b is equal to, as per the question, b is equal to 3. Therefore r is equal to 0, 1, 2. Now let us define a values as a is equal to bq. B means 3q plus 0. First r value I am taking as 0, that is 3q. A is equal to 3q plus 1. A is equal to 3q plus 2. So according to the question, these all are the odd positive integers. So hence our solution. Show that one and only one of n comma n plus 2 comma n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. See, n plus 2, n plus 4 are divisible by 3 or not. So now we have 2 or 3 conditions. Let's go in one method. Let us substitute in place of n positive integers. Positive integers are started from 1. Now let us substitute n is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. If you see 1, 3, 5. Among these 3 numbers, so this is only divisible by 3. Next, n is equal to 2. Put here 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Again observe these 3. Now here 6 is divisible by 3. Now one more, let us take one more example. 3. n is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Among these 3, again this is only divisible by 3. So this is the method by checking. You are given the n comma n plus 2 n plus 4 are. Among these 3, the only one is divisible by 3 at one time.